Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to do a couple of tests on the evaporative purge solenoid. Also we're gonna see how to check if the evaporative canister is sealed. Now we've got the car idling, we're running in closed loop and you can see the command evaporative purge. We've got there a spike, and on this function you want to see some percentage. As you can see now it's closed, okay? Right now it's opening it again, okay? And it's very interesting because it's doing that once in a while. Now from here you can see the connector to the purge solenoid. As you can see, this pipe which comes from the canister is connected to the solenoid right under this metal bracket, and from there, from the solenoid, you've got this pipe which comes and connects on the intake manifold. Therefore, when the computer wants, it will open the solenoid. The vacuum from the intake manifold while the engine is running will suck the gasoline vapors from the canister. First, let's make a little bit more working space in here. I remove this PCV hose. Let's unplug as well this fuel line. Now, if you want to remove the solenoid, you can see that bolt right there. So you're gonna need something very slim. Okay, so here is the solenoid. Let's see if we can remove these hoses. So the bottom one goes on the intake manifold side, and this top one comes from the evaporative purge canister. I've got here a hand vacuum pump, and we know that the bottom hose will connect to the intake manifold, which has vacuum. So in theory, this should hold vacuum when the solenoid is not activated. So let's see, right now I'm on 0 because this is broken, and let's apply the vacuum. You can see it holds very well. Now I want to see if the vacuum is released when the solenoid is activated. I'm going to connect my terminals of a 12-volt battery, and the vacuum was released. This means this solenoid is fully operational, it reacts to 12 volts and it can hold the vacuum. Now with this hand vacuum pump you can do all sorts of tests. You can test as well these hoses. And as you could see with the voltmeter and without starting the engine, we could see that there is a signal at the connector to the solenoid. If there is anything wrong from this point, it has to be with the canister. Now let's see, from the canister itself, we've got a hose which comes to the solenoid. This hose comes from the fuel tank, and this thick one is gonna be for breathing and ventilation. This ventilation hose has the purpose of letting air in, but nothing can come out. So in order for the intake manifold to suck from the vapors of gasoline stored in this coil, special coil box, you need a point through which the air can travel in. A very easy, simple test is to see if you can blow, it's fine, but you should not be able to suck air. I'm going to use some alcohol to disinfect this so I can use my mouth, it's a lot easier. So as you can see, if I blow, the air will come out through this hose. However, if I try to inhale air, that's blocked. Okay, so everything works good. Now let's install back the solenoid. It's a very strange, it's a very strange way. It's a very strange place to put the evaporative solenoid, right here under all the stuff, when you have so much free space in here, or even attached to the canister could be a lot better. But anyway, who I am to judge? Now let's put everything back. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions regarding the evaporative system, let me know in the comments below. Also, if you have this Mitsubishi Mirage or Space Star, go ahead and check out the other videos I made about it. And until next time, drive safe so I can see you in the next video.